All right, let's take a look at another way of pushing our stuff out to GitHub. So here's where we left off last time. So let's go ahead and change our title. I'm going to make a website called GameStoop. It is the website that for all of your handheld console needs, and it's like where you would play your stoop, you know. So play games on the stoop. So kind of cheesy, but so when I hit Control S, you'll notice it highlights over here. This is our connection to our source control. What's nice about Visual Studio is because we saved this folder inside that GitHub and we connected it, we now have the option of pushing our changes and committing them and staging them all from here. So notice there's this little plus sign here and it's going to say stage changes. And when you click that, it says changes you'd like to stage. And what's cool is when I click on this again, it shows me this is what's currently on the server and these are the changes. So I'm like, oh, you know what? I like that. I'm going to go ahead and click up here and I'm going to select commit staged and I'm going to say change title and I'm going to hit enter. And now I'm going to push that change. Oops, I don't want to pull. I want to push those changes because I haven't uploaded anything. I'm going to let this hourglass work for a bit in that line. And then I'm going to pause the video and jump back on. Now I want you to notice something. When I went to my GitHub repo. So let's kind of go back for a bit here. And I went to the settings, if you remember that. We go to settings here. Then I go down here and I click on this to open this up. It's looking at this old page that's on the site. What you have to remember is if you want to see the changes that we just pushed, we need to access that index file. What normally happens is these index changes sort of get updated later as the generic web portfolio page, right? So if I delete this, you'll notice it's just going to give me whatever is in there. So if you want to see your changes as you're updating them from Visual Studio Code, you want to make sure that you include that index.html byline there. And so in the next video, we're going to continue to build this out. We'll maybe start looking at a little bit of JavaScript and embedding it in there. So that's it for now.